Staking made simple. Learn how to make money while you sleep. Staking is a new method in the Bitcoin market that lets people make money without doing anything. It lets you protect a blockchain network and get paid for it. Even though it sounds too good to be true, you need to understand the physics and risks involved before you jump. What is staking? In short, staking means putting your Bitcoin in a special account so that it can help verify transactions on a blockchain network. Think of it as a better way to mine that uses less energy than Bitcoin's proof-of-work method. Validators put their cryptocurrency holdings into the network as a stake, and the network randomly picks validators to build new blocks and process transactions instead of solving hard math problems like in proof-of-work. In exchange for these services, stakers get paid in cryptocurrency. How does one stake? The method will be a little different for each blockchain network, but here is a general idea. Choose a blockchain platform. Choose a cryptocurrency that lets you stake, like Solana, Cardano, or Cosmos. Every blockchain has its own rules and ways to give out rewards. Get cryptocurrency. Use an exchange or other means to get the cryptocurrency you want. Pick a way to stake that works for you. You can stake in a number of different ways. Staking through cryptocurrency exchanges. Many cryptocurrency exchanges offer staking services, which makes it a good option for people who are new to the game. On the other hand, exchanges will usually keep a part of your profits. Staking pools. Joining a staking pool lets you combine your cryptocurrency holdings with those of other members, which increases your chances of being chosen as a validator. This method doesn't require as much technical skill. Solo staking, self-staking. This option requires you to run your own validator node, which requires more technical knowledge and a bigger initial investment. It means taking on more responsibility, but it also means the chance of getting bigger rewards. Stake your cryptocurrency. After you choose how you want to stake, move your cryptocurrency to the pool or platform where you want to do it. If there is a lockup period, you might not be able to get to your staked cryptocurrency for a while. Accumulate rewards. You will start to earn rewards based on the network's consensus process and the amount of cryptocurrency you have staked. It is common to give out rewards on a regular basis. Staking has some risks, such as staking can help you make money without doing anything, but it also comes with some risks. Impermanent loss for liquidity pool staking. If you stake in a liquidity pool, you could lose money temporarily if the values of the assets you have staked change a lot. Slashing. Some blockchains punish validators who act maliciously, like going offline or doing things in a bad way. Because of this, you might lose some or all of the Bitcoin you had bet on. Risks of smart contracts. Some platforms that let you stake with smart contracts could make them less secure by adding bugs or exploits. Risks of exchanges. When you stake through an exchange, you are trusting that the exchange is safe and will be able to pay you back. Choosing a platform for staking. Choosing a staking pool or staking platform with a good reputation is very important. Here are some things to think about. Security. Be sure to choose platforms that have a history of good security and thorough security measures. Transparency. Make sure that the platform is clear and honest about how it rewards users and how much it costs. Reputation. Pick platforms that have a good reputation and support from the community. Ease of use. If you're new to staking, it's important to choose a platform that is easy to understand and use. Before you join, you should learn how staking works, what the risks are, and what the rewards are. It can be a good way to make money without doing anything. To lower risks and raise profits, you need to think things through and have a cautious attitude.